Rodrigo Llorando with honors in Work Immersion Awarding.
Erwan A. Serenado, Work Immersion Awardee.
Altos Cristo P. Francisco with honors in Work Immersion Awarding.
Branjan C. Serenaletan, Work Immersion Awardee.
Lord John Carlos T. Francisco with honors in Work Immersion Awarding.
John Ray Tarlo, Work Immersion Awardee.
John Benedict G. Hernandez with Work Immersion Awarding.
John Mark L. Kimball, Work Immersion Awardee.
Dorothy L. Kiram with honors in Work Immersion Awarding.
Joel F. Belde, Work Immersion Awardee.
Julian Arcelius B. Magno with honors in Work Immersion Awarding.
Jewel F. Aguilar, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Estriel L. Mendoza with honors in Work Immersion Awarding.
Jasmine V. Alvarez, Work Immersion Awardee.
Inson Aaron B. Mondaya, Work Immersion Awarding.
Emily G. Arnell, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Clint Benedict G. Montecarlo with honors in Work Immersion Awarding.
Nika May R. Banag, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Nico Andrew V. Ocao, Work Immersion Awarding.
Archel K.R.D. Baral, with honors to Work Immersion Awardee.
David C. Banner, Work Immersion Awarding.
Jamie S. Barha, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Erich Paul B. Pitit, Work Immersion Awarding.
Patricia Elena P. Bustos, with high honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
J.R.T. Popioto with Work Immersion Awarding.
Kimberly P. Cabalteja, with high honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
John Rhodes T. Soliada with Work Immersion Awarding.
Hyacinth C. Gutapay, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Carl Angelo V. Kuntiman with high honors with Work Immersion Awarding.
Kiara Gwen D. Custodio, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Lazar Cleo L. Coleto, Work Immersion Awarding.
Ayana Gail F. Luar, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Rizzo Johnny Ambo, Work Immersion Awarding.
Alea B. Napoles, Work Immersion Awardee.
Jennifer A. Mariano with honors, Work Immersion Awarding.
Jan H. Navor, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Trisha K. F. Bondo, Work Immersion Awarding.
Lou Daniel M. Ong, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Johnny A. Candelaria with high honors, Work Immersion Awarding.
Kathleen L. Polina, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Hannah P. Gusunya with honors and Work Immersion Awarding.
Andrea Nicole S. Corteza, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Mary Jane Lupit D. Bolata with honors and Work Immersion Awarding.
Jana May P. Remetio, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Nicole G. Dutra with honors and Work Immersion Awarding.
Maria Angelica T. Richter, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Nicole Ann Fernandez, Work Immersion Awarding.
Rochelle D. Sarmiento, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Michelle May C. Ginto with honors and Work Immersion Awarding.
Kristen Hazel D. Sen, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Stephanie A. Levo with honors and Work Immersion Awarding.
Ashila May P. Ecom, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Angela L. Luces with honors and Work Immersion Awarding.
And Jillian B. Zavala, with honors and Work Immersion Awardee.
Charlie A. Mendoza with honors and Work Immersion Awardees. Curly May G. Narvaez with honors and Work Immersion Awardee. Camille C. Ramirez with honors and Work Immersion Awardee. Christine A. Recamonte with honors and Work Immersion Awardee. Jasmine K. A. Santiago with high honors and Work Immersion Awardee. Jolene Kirk C. F. Santos with honors and Work Immersion Awardee. Arlene T. Villafranca, Work Immersion Awardee. To present the graduates of Tobias Professions, may go on Mr. Jamel A. Luan Advanced.